We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can show battery percentage in Oppo smartphone. So that's a very simple thing to do. You will need to launch settings, then go for notifications and status bar category. From here open the status bar page, and over here you have the menu for changing your battery percentage preferences. Currently it is set to do not show, so open it and either make the battery percentage visible and be outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon, depending on your visual preferences. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.